Morning guys, May 18th, 2022. This is where I got a call from a tenant that's on the 3rd floor. I guess I had changed the space heater for the landlord or something. But anyway, he's complaining about water leaking from a shut-off valve under the sink. He says that the solder joint's leaking. He crawled under there and wiped it down and looked, and he shut the water off to the house. So he said, I told him to go under there and wipe it off and tighten up the nuts and make sure that it's not that. He's calling me back. He said it's definitely the joint that's leaking. And he shut the water off to the house, so we're gonna go by there and put a new valve in for him under the sink. Well, that's the game plan, that's the story, and I'm sticking to it. Should be able to just cut it out and put a compression one in there. I got some compression valves. I'll carry one up with me, seeing this 3rd floor. I'll try to get you some shots if I can. It's definitely leaking. That could be the... I don't know, it could be the packing nut. That's probably just the fucking packing that's loose. Look at that. It's probably loose too, this other one. Oh, just a fucking packing nut. Dum-dum. That's loose too. Yeah, have them turn it back on. The shit was loose. It was loose? Yeah. I told him to check that shit before I come. What are you gonna do? You're not a plumber, right?
Yeah, you didn't tell us either.
I wish you were.
Right, it's just loose, that's all?
Huh?
It's just loose?
The packing nut was loose. Do you want me to go turn the water on, or is he gonna do it?
I can't get a hold of him.
You can't get a hold of him? Yeah. Alright, let me go turn it on. We'll see what happens here.
Is this something easy that I could do, just by explaining it to you?
Well, too late now. You gotta pay me.
No, I mean like turn the water on so that way you can...
Well, I'll go turn it on. I mean, we'll see what the hell's going on. You can't get a hold of him? Yeah, I'll figure it out. Well, definitely was water there. Alright. I'll go turn the water on. Shit was loose, so change it for no reason. It just was loose. He must have shut the whole main off, maybe. I'm not sure. Shit everywhere. There we go. There's the gas pipe. Oh, there's the water pipe. There it comes in right here. Oh. Got a bulb, got one there. It smells like shit here. Alright, it's on. He must have shut more valves off somewhere. See if we got a leak downstairs now. Just the packing nuts were loose, that's all. I don't think anything else is leaking. Unless that supply up top's leaking, it could be that. That was kind of loose. Yeah, the supply was, when I got here, was loose as a goose too, so. So nothing's leaking. He's tight now. Could have just been running down the pipe, you know. Could have just been running down the pipe. So it's loose as a goose now. She was just loose. I got the water back on. It definitely was leaking, but it was dripping from the packing and the supply line, so I tightened all that shit up. Let's see what happens. I don't see any more leaks. I mean, I don't mind changing the valve, but if it's not the valve, why change it, right?
Yeah.
You said it started leaking like right away, or how long did it take?
I don't know. That's why. It must have been leaking throughout the night because you see how little it's leaking. So, and there's a lot of, I don't know if, I didn't see his kitchen, but he said it's leaking through the roof. But it wasn't on our floor though. So it must have seeped through there.
Yeah, it was just,
That's why we didn't know. And then when he knocked on the door, we were like, shit.
well, when you took the pan out, you seen water in the pan?
No, it was, we had nothing there. We had all our pans down there. We didn't know it was leaking.
How did you find out it was leaking?
Because he came upstairs and said it's leaking.
Oh, leaking through the ceiling?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, look, it's leaking to me. I'll give it a minute. Fucking thing was loose as a goose. She was loose. She was loose as a goose. Sometimes the spray will leak. Should check that too. I don't think it's leaking anymore. I don't see any leaks. The packing nuts loose. Looks like they might have put a new faucet on there, and then when they tightened it up, it was an issue. No leaks. That's a new faucet they put in there. Alright, that looks good. No more leaks. Easy fix. The old diverter and the new diverter. There's the numbers right there.
And it comes with that
Yeah, it comes with this little thing.
It comes
yeah.
with the tool for you to pull it. We've been told they're a pain in the balls.
Yeah, getting them out.
The new ones. A couple guys have said they're just fucking stupid.